Welcome back, my friends, to another sprinkler tech tip video. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and today we're going to take a look at a NETAFIM disc filter replacement cartridge. So this would be the filtration system that's inside of a NETAFIM manual disc filter. Disc filters are slightly different than a screen filter, and so we're going to take a closer look at this particular disc filter. And again, what we see in the yellow filter here would also apply to all of NETAFIM's other filters. So they've got 4 colors. They have a yellow filter, the red filter, black and green, which it runs the spectrum of meshes from 80 to 120 to 140 to 200 mesh, depending on what it is that you're trying to filter for. You may need smaller or larger particle size filtration. So the one I have here is yellow. This is the 80 mesh, and we're gonna take it apart, or I'm gonna attempt to take it apart. I believe you can, using a screwdriver, a pen, or something that's not sharp, you can pull out the retainer clip. Again, this should be something that you never have to do. I'm just doing it so that you can kind of get an under the hood look at what a disc filter is. Okay, so here we have, there's lots of these little discs all stacked up on top of each other. I'm gonna have to flip the camera back around so that you can hopefully see. And it's trying to focus on me. Come on, there we go. That there's these little ridges on here. And what happens is when you stack the rings on top of one another, those create like a crosshatch pattern. And so it is very difficult for the particles to go through the filter. And the reason they go through the filter is because water goes from the inside to the outside, or the outside to the inside. One of those two. I can't remember at the moment, but it passes through these discs. And one of the benefits to a disc filter is that they're super easy to clean. You can take the filter cartridge, get a bucket of water, remove it from your NETAFIM filter, and then, sort of dunk it in and out of the bucket of water to help clean off these discs. A lot of times mesh or screen filters can get clogged, and you'd have to sometimes scrub them with a brush. They can be hard to clean, and these are very, very easy to clean off. Very simple filtration systems, easy to unscrew the top of your filter, pull out this filter cartridge, wash it off, replace it. Again, comes in the 4 variations from NETAFIM of the yellow, red, black, and green. Green being 200 mesh, which is super, super fine. Again, you probably only want to use something really fine if your emitter size or your outlet size is really small, and that dirt could clog that up. Let's see, it's not really much else to say. They're lightweight, durable. They should last, basically forever, as long as you clean them. And I guess it could be helpful to have a couple on hand. So if you wanted to clean them, what you could do is just take your clean version, kind of like maybe like a hot tub filter. I've got a few hot tub filters at home, and what I'll do is just swap out a clean one, put it in, take the old one out, clean it off, and then put it in storage, and then swap it out again. So, maybe in theory, it's not a bad idea to have a couple extra of these around. Then you can do your swap out, and then you can clean it another time. So if you have any questions about a NETAFIM drip system or any drip system, filters, what size filter cartridge you need, what kind of mesh, feel free to reach out to us. We're available by phone, chat, and email, and definitely happy to help you with all of your NETAFIM drip irrigation needs. So until the next Tech Top, happy sprinkling, and we'll talk to you then.